So in this video, we will learn about touchable native feedback. It's a wrapper basically that gives proper response to touches in Android devices. Android and iOS both have unique response to the touches, to user touches when you are interacting with a component on iOS devices. Uh, you will see a different type of response when you touch the buttons and any other component, and just like that Android gives other types of response. So this touchable native feedback is specially for Android devices. That's why I have opened the Android's emulator over here. You cannot see this effect on iOS simulator, so keep that in mind. And first of all, create a React Native project and open it in Visual Studio Code. First of all, we need to import the text as well and the touchable native feedback. So when you touch on Android devices, you will get a ripple type of effect. I will show you in a minute. First of all, let me just create a state called ripple overflow. By default it will be false. Now let us create touchable native feedback. So in touchable native feedback, we need to provide some props on press. Whenever user press, we will set this exclamatory mark ripple overflow, so that when it will be false, it becomes true. The next one we prop that we need to provide it background. Touchable native feedback dot ripple. Now the color of that ripple, let's say red, and ripple overflow. So we provide boolean values as we have created the state for it, and the ripple color will be red. Now let me just create a view. Let me give some styling. We'll be create a touchable style. A text. Let's line touchable native feedback. Let's also give style to text. Now let us provide that styling. First of all, touchable. Let's provide flex 0.5, border color will be black. Or the width will be 1. Now for the text, let's say align self will be center. Let me just save this one and let me just go through it again. We have created a state for ripple overflow for that animation. Then we have created a touchable native feedback component. Under that we have created a button. This is here is our button, a view component and a text component inside of it. When we press, the ripple overflow function will set it to true and background will be red with ripple effect. So let me just save this. So here you can see the touchable native feedback, and I've created a larger button so that you can notice the effect. Let me just click on it. As you can see, this type of effect we want from Android devices. It will create a ripple type of effect. So let me just change the color to blue, let's say. You can also create a state for, let me just say, const ripple color, let's say. Set ripple color, use state by default, let's say yellow, and you can use that ripple color over here. Let me just save it. As you can see, you can also create a function to randomize these color, so that every time you press the button you will get a different type of color. Let me change it to black. So this is how you can create a button and wrap this around touchable native feedback to provide a more a rich experience to touch in Android devices. So that's it for this video, and keep that in mind that it will only works on Android devices. If you write this on iOS devices, you will not get any effect. So thanks for watching.